So you guys probably seen the video that Rob and I did when we were building a deck. So right now I'm in the backyard and I'm working on laying out some lattice to kind of finish up the bottom of the deck here. There's a lot of opening at the bottom and the dogs are getting under there and skunks and everything else. We have skunks at night that come out, so try to keep everything out of there, the leaves. And just kind of do a walk around as I finish up putting some lattice on the deck. I'll show you how easy it is to cut and how to fasten it and stuff like that. Figured I'd throw a quick video together for some of you people who might not have worked with the lattice and just show you how we can kind of clean up the looks of the deck, kind of finish it off for you. So I'm supposed to be on vacation, but somehow I always end up working on vacation. It's funny how stuff works out sometimes, right? So I have an old rickety deck right here, and this thing's really old. It's getting torn down as soon as Rob and I build an extension over to the pool. We're gonna do that at some point, maybe in the near future or in the spring. But I have some old lattice here, and this one has like huge holes in it. The leaves get through it. It's easy for critters to get in there. Stuff can still get through, like the small lattice, but it should help to keep some of the leaves out. We're up here in New England, so in the fall there's leaves everywhere. So I started working with the lattice the other day. Started working in this section here. I've got to kind of trim out over here with some wood, so we have something to fasten to under the stairway to kind of close off and clean up this area. So I'm going to work on that today, and we'll go around the front. I'm going to get the front buttoned up with some lattice, and on the side I've got that zip tied for now as a temporary fastener, because we're going to build an extension out, so I'm not going to put anything permanent over there right now until we're done going over to the pool, so we can just go from the deck to the pool at some point and do away with this old ugly deck. And I think it'll be pretty good. It'll look nice. So right now I'm test fitting this piece of lattice. I might have to trim it up and under there. There's a little bit of a beam under there, but you can trim this stuff with the utility knife. So that's what I'll trim it with when I'm under there. I bought some screws at Home Depot that's made for lattice, but they're a little bit long. So on this piece right here, I'm going to use some shorter deck screws because those are made to be outside and they're not going to rust out or anything. So I'm going to worm my way under here, screw this corner piece in place, and it'll help to keep, you know, the leaves out of there and stuff like that. So here are the 1.5" stainless steel screws that I found at Home Depot. They're right with all the lattice, and they're in the back here, and they have like white heads on them. So what I've been doing is trying to screw the stuff in from the back, so that, you know, it gives it more of a finished off look. You know, and we're not screwing right to the face up there. You know, I see people all the time that screw the lattice to the face and it looks unfinished. This still, to me, isn't quite all that finished. We may put something around the bottom here to kind of box it and finish it off. But for right now, this is what I'm doing to just kind of somewhat finish it off before the dogs keep getting under the deck. So you guys may have seen Tucker. I did a quick video on Tucker. So his favorite place is to hide under this deck. So you got to keep him out of there. I was under there the other day putting that other piece of lattice in, screwing it in from the backside, crawling under there like an army guy, and I stepped right in the pile of dog crap. So it's important that we keep them out of there. I don't want to have that experience again. It wasn't much fun. So I'm going to get under there, and I'm going to put this piece, secure that piece in place right there that's under the stairway. So I'll show you, you know, what screws use and stuff like that. It's pretty easy to do. And like I said, I might have to trim a little bit when I'm under there. Let's go check it out. Let's see how much fun this is going to be. So I'm under the deck right now. Mission accomplished. They made it without stepping in any landmines. So you can see some tabs sticking up. So when you're cutting this stuff, you're going to want to leave some material sticking up. I could even have left more than this, so that you can then screw it to the wood under here. You can see where I've screwed to the deck under here and all around there. It's pretty easy to work with. You can trim the stuff easy with the utility knife. And you can probably hear Shannon on top of me barking away, wondering where I am. So I'm going to work on this, get it all fastened into place. All right, so now that's all screwed into place. So now we're going to go around the front side and put some more lattice in the front here to kind of finish it off, and under this side as well. and we're gonna tackle that right now. So what I'm doing right now is I just ripped this piece of wood and I'm making a trim piece to go under the deck. I'm going to fasten this piece to that one with some deck screws. So I'll be able to secure the lattice along the front of the deck to the back of this, and under the stairway I'll be able to secure the lattice under the stairway to the back of this piece right here. So I finished up this section of the deck with the lattice, and on this side I put that corner in and installed that, and screwed it on to place the deck screws. That's the corner we made over on the table. So I wanted to have something to mount to. There was nothing there, so I had to kind of make an end to secure the lattice underneath the stairs and the front piece here. So we trimmed it all out, and I still have to get to the end all the way over there. We're gonna, like I said, make an extension to the pool, so I didn't get too crazy with the end yet. But this is how it came out on this side, and it looks pretty good. So if you take your time with it, it's pretty easy stuff to work with. And I kind of wanted to kind of fasten it on the other side of that molding on the front of the deck, the front beam there, to kind of hide it, and it looks a lot better. So hope you guys liked the video. Just take it easy with the stuff. Go slow, take your time, and it should come out pretty good. It's not really that hard to work with the lattice to finish off a deck. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you in the comments. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.